Hey, so today I am unboxing the Owltron Cam W1. Okay, so right on the box here, I can see this has a ton of features. It has two-way audio, which is really cool. Motion detection, so it's not always necessarily running, but once it detects motion, then it turns on. It has card storage, so you can store the recordings that you make. It also has cloud storage, which is really cool. 21st century, here we are. Looks like it says panoramic patrol. Interesting. So like it's like a whole panorama view. That's pretty cool. Night vision, which is awesome. It's encrypted, so it can't be like hacked into, and it also has multi-platform viewing, so I could look at the information on my phone, I could watch the video feed on an iPad, I could watch it on my computer, so many options to look at this. And what's super cool about this is it's a 1080p smart camera. So it works over Wi-Fi. Okay, so it comes with the camera itself. Okay, so it's showing me where the SD card slot is, which is really nice. It also looks like it has a micro USB plug-in. There's a reset button. It also comes with some accessories. Yep, so it is a micro USB charging. It comes with the charger, and it also comes with a brick. Nothing ever comes with a brick anymore, so that's nice. It also has a little mounting stand and screws. It has anchors, so I guess probably a lot of people want to like put it on their walls. Ruler for QR code net. Super interesting. It has a little QR code right there. Awesome. Okay, so setting this up. Alright, so the way that you get it to work is you download the app to your phone, you enter your email address to register for an account, and then you connect your camera to the network. So easy. I know we've all done things like this before. The two-way intercom is so cool because like if you have kids and you see them doing something, you could like be, reaching out to them or being like, hey, what are you doing? Or stop that, or I see what you're doing, and you can have a little conversation back and forth. That's super cool. I also love that you can save it either on something hard like an SD card, or you can put it to the cloud to review later. Or if something happens, let's say you had a break-in, God forbid, that you can upload that and share that with the authorities. So yeah, I cannot wait to get this set up. I have cats, and there's so many times where I wish I could see what they were doing or who is the one being naughty, and I cannot wait to use the night vision because if you have pets, you know that they get up to all of their naughtiest stuff either at night or when you're not home. And so I'm gonna go set this up right now. If you want to know what's going on in your house, get the Owltron Cam W1.